Meet Rio, Amelia, Phoebe and Alicia.
We've been following them across the series as they let us know what it's like to be regular hospital outpatients. Today, we're catching up with 10-year-old Rio.
Hello.
Rio has a prosthetic leg and he's mad about sport and loves athletics.
I like sprinting, I like 100 metres. I want to be a Paralympian.
To help achieve his ambitions, he trains at a local sports club.
I come here most weeks doing the things that I love. I really enjoy seeing my friends and doing lots of activities like running around the track.
He wears a special sports blade and today he's training with his brand new one.
It's really fast and it gives you kind of a spring. You can see it's got flames on it.
They look awesome.
It's a really cool design because when I run, I'm on fire.
Wow.
And Rio is preparing for a big competition.
I'm training for the Limb Power Junior Games. If you're missing a limb or something, you can take part in it. You meet lots of new people there and make new friends, and you do all kinds of different sports like running, cricket, football, wheelchair basketball, sitting volleyball, and lots of other fun stuff. Like, it's going to be amazing.
Rio has even been sent a good luck message from medal-winning Paralympian Steph Reed.
Hey Rio! I hear you've got some big races coming up soon, and so I thought I would get in touch and just say good luck and be fearless. So have an awesome time and let me know how it goes. See you soon.
How cool was that?
Amazing.
We'll find out how you get on at the games next time.
Catch you later, alligators.
In a while, crocodile.